Hello students of standard 6. Today we will learn part 3. Chapter 14, part 3. Tom and Becky makeup. In this what is makeup? We have seen in the previous class that Becky had torn the book by mistake, not purposely, when she saw Tom is standing and watching. So she in a hurry opened the drawer and pushed the book, and she saw that one page was torn. Now she was afraid. And in the class, already Alfred has done some mischief for Tom to put him into trouble. Alfred put ink on the spelling book of Tom Sawyer, and Tom Sawyer was in trouble. When class started, Tom came to the class and everybody settled. Then Sir looked at everybody's copy book and he saw Tom Sawyer book was fully dirty. Tom Sawyer pleaded, "Sir, I have not done. I am innocent." But Sir did not listen anything. He punished him. He gave nice beat for him. He went quietly after punishment. Now whole class settled. They always sitting, and Sir gave to them some work. You all do this work. And children were busy with the work. He opened his drawer, took the book, and he was reading. There Becky was so much troubled. Becky was thinking, now I am going to get punishment. Now I will get what punishment will be there, what he will do in front of the whole class. And so much tension, and she became very white, pale, like no blood in her. And Tom Sawyer was looking at her. How Becky looks, poor thing, he thought. She is so frightened, so pale, how it is. And Sir turned few pages and he saw the torn page. Sir shouted in the class, "Who dared to do this? Who has done this work? Who has torn my page?" And nobody uttered a word. Whole class was in a silence, pin drop silence. And then Sir started to call everybody name by name. Alfred, Richard, Jackson, everybody's name he called. And everybody denied, "Sir, I have not done, I have not done." When turn came for the Becky was already, we have seen, she was very pale, very much. She had no strength to lift her head and to tell Sir, "I have done or not." Her head was down, looking down, and she was shivering. Then Sir understood she is the person. When he called, "Becky, you get up. Rebecca, get up." Then Tom felt very sad. Now what is going to happen? He knows the punishment he had got. So he said, "Sir, it's not Becky. I have done it." And Sir called, "Tom Sawyer, you come," in a very stern voice. Very stern voice he called him. And he came. Whole class was silence. And while coming, he looked at Becky. Becky was happy, little released of her fear that he took up her problem. And she came in front. Master gave nice beat once again very badly, and he punished him. He told him, "For 2 hours you are punished. You will be after the class 2 hours here." And Tom did not mind, did not bother. He thought, Becky loves me. Even he has punished, Becky will be staying for me. 2 hours she will wait for me. Thinking of Becky, that all the pain and trouble he forgot. He did not mind. And after the class, when all the children went back to their home, he stood there. He had his punishment for 2 hours. He stood there. And after having 2 hours of punishment, he went out of the school and he saw Becky was standing. Becky was waiting for him. And Becky waited for him, and when he came, she was very happy. She talked to him and said, Tom Sawyer, you are nice boys. What is he telling in the book? She was deeply grateful. Tom, she said, Tom, you are wonderful. You are the nicest, noblest boy in the world. She says that you are the very nice boy. You have saved my life. You have saved me from punishment. Children, what he did? What he has done for Becky? He has saved her from punishment, from humiliation, from the beat of the master. So that is a great thing he has done for that girl. And girl feel very, very happy that Tom is the best person among all the boys, not only in the class, but in the world. He is a very kind person, noblest person, nicest person in the world, she says. And she talked to him very happily, and she was all their broken, their revenge, their anger, everything was washed away. They became once again friends, and they were very happy. They started to work together, do everything possible, and they come together for class and share their, even he used to ask to draw the pictures and things. Do you have any doubt? Children, it is not only nice to take revenge or complain about others, but it is also good to save somebody from danger, from the trouble. If you can tolerate, have it, and if you cannot, that is a different thing. But as much as possible, try to do good for others. Don't put them into trouble like Alfred did. Alfred spoiled the book, fully poured the ink on the spelling book, and troubled for the Tom. It was a great trouble for the Tom. See how kind, how noble boy is Tom, that he saved, though he did not do, to save Becky from the punishment of the master. He took up whole thing and said, Sir, I have done. Though he spoke lie, but lie is spoken for the genuine work, is not a lie. He did not do any speaking lie for any good of for himself, or selfishness of himself. But he spoke lie to save someone from the punishment. He knows what is punishment because he was punished for a long time. Okay, children, thank you. You also be good and do good work so that everyone likes you. Okay, thank you.